YouTube. Yeah, welcome back to another video, man. As you can see, man, of the title of the video, today we gonna be going 6 piston on the second gen. As you can see, yeah, we gonna be putting these 6 pistons on. As you can see, we got 4 pistons on this drum. See, 4 pistons, 4 and 4. But today we gonna be upgrading. But these shits, man, would make niggas be thinking like, yo, that ain't no 5.7 over there. So we gonna upgrade. I just seen last video though, the Jeep was a fill. Yeah, the bumper on this joint don't wanna fit. And I did some research. Apparently you gotta change all these brackets, like on them. You gotta change this bracket, you gotta get you a new squatter. You gotta do something with the rebar, and it's a lot, but I'm gonna figure out. The Jeep is pretty much down at the moment because we gotta figure out this shit because this bumper is hard on the car. But it ain't about the Jeep today. We're gonna be doing the second gen. We gave you a cool start on the second gen. This shit gonna go off because the engine light's on. Look, man, that joint ain't screaming, ain't none of that. We just chilling for now, but yeah, that shit gonna shut off. But yeah, this car been serving me well. I've been taking me to work, bringing me back. Everything's good. It's just recently I had a little fender bender ring. Something had pulled my bumper and broke my tire. So that bitch don't even want to sit in there. I think I'm gonna need a new bracket on there. But right now that joint look crazy. Like I'm not liking this. But if you look at this side though, over here, perfect. This side is perfect. Going all the way down. It's just this side, bro. This side look like shit. But yeah, let's get started though with this Lambo. Alright, YouTube, as you can see, we got the car up in the air. My little brother said he wanna do it, so we're gonna have him do it. I'm gonna show you how to do it. Basically, we gonna put this whole thing in there as an assembly. So a couple of bolts we need this joint, we need middle, and this joint, and the boy joint. So yeah, so that's what we're gonna be taking off. So pretty much that shit and 3 more in there. You wanna take the top one off first. That's it. I'll put this shit in. Alright, so when you get the bowl out, you gotta tap that joint to get that thing off. And then we go. That don't hit the shit.
Yo, this shit scared the fuck out of me.
So now we gotta disconnect these. We gonna keep this on there. But that plug we gotta disconnect. Still like an hour. We got that joint on there, as you can see. We got the 6 piston on that joint. I was gonna record it, but this nigga got distracted too much, so I just wanna knock it out real quick. But I'm gonna show you step by step how to do this because I haven't done this side yet. So I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step. But for this side, we good. All we gotta do now is pretty much change the pads, you know, because the pad is pretty low on this. And I do have the pad too off Facebook Marketplace. So you can see it's OEM pads. Yes, sir. You says I got them for a steal. Yeah, he gonna be putting these pads on while I work on this to get this joint off. Alright, YouTube, man, look. Yeah, we got this side all done. Everything is good on here. We even changed the pads. Like I got new pads in there. Yeah, everything is good on this side. I definitely need some spacer because the wheel not trying to fit on there. But we're gonna figure it out when we get there. But for now, we got this joint on there. Got the 6 piston. Look how big this joint is, bro. Look at my hand compared to the brake. That's how big that joint is. when it's on the car, it looks smaller, but in person, yeah, that joint crazy. So now we gotta do this side. Yeah, we gotta do this side. And also, you definitely gonna need some brake fluid doing this, because all your shit gonna leak out. Like you see over there, that's all brake fluid. So make sure you get you some brake fluid before doing this. And also you have to bleed your brakes too when you're done, because it's gonna be air into your lungs. So you gotta bleed the brake. Hey YouTube, so that's how we're gonna do it. You hit it, you take this bowl out first. I think this is 17. Take that out. Come down here. It should be like a 21. Take that out. Take this one out. Take that out. So these are the full bolts you need. 1, 2, 3, 4. But before you do all that, you want to take these off. Like you want to unplug the speed sensor. This is the speed sensor. So you want to unplug that. And also you gotta take this off. You gotta take the brake line off. It's gonna leak fluid, but you just gonna have to refill it and bleed your brakes after. So yeah, let me take this off and I'm gonna get back to you. All right, YouTube, man, we got this joint out. As you can see, yeah, this shit was man, to get this last one out, like you gotta beat that motherfucker. You gotta beat it. Like I'm telling you, you gotta beat that shit. Like I had to bring the whole camera outside and beat that bitch. But look though, we got it out. Now we gotta put the new one in that joint, which is over there. And I got this nigga over here on his phone and not doing shit.
I did the other side.
I was trying to knock this shit out, but we do got this side on. We got the new pass on there. I do need to bleed the brake, man. This is like the hardest part, bleeding the brake. I definitely need to bleed the brake. I might just leave it running overnight. Like I'm gonna just untighten these screws and just let that shit bleed out overnight just to fill up. Then what's it called? Refill it tomorrow and see how that go. But this joint, it's on there. This one I got the tire on it, the wheel on there. Bro, if I tell y'all, that bitch is like a millimeter from hitting. Y'all think I'm gonna be good though? Or should I put another spacer on that joint? Bro, that shit is like that. I don't think it's supposed to be that tight, bro. Shit, fuck it. You only live once. But yeah, though, that joint look beautiful though. 6 pistons. Got the 6 on there. Man, when niggas see that shit, be like, oh nah. Ain't no regular degular charger over there. I'm about to throw this wheel on. Probably let that shit bleed itself up overnight. And tomorrow again, I'm gonna hop on it and see what I can do. YouTube. Yeah, it's the next morning, man. Yesterday I got caught up, you know. I was putting these on, where I'm putting this on. And a lot of people came around, so I couldn't really record. But today, we basically gonna be bleeding the brakes. As you can see, the joint is on there. Everything is good. Yeah, but I gotta bleed it because the line got a lot of air in it. So we're gonna be bleeding that joint today. You basically need 2 people because you need somebody to pump the brake as you break it loose. So yeah, we gotta bleed this brake. I'm gonna throw the wheels back on and we're gonna see how it drives. All right, YouTube, man, as you can see, we got the wheels on that joint. Bro, I'm like a inch off, bro. Look, I think that bitch, I don't know, it might be touching, to be fair, but that bitch is like an inch. I fought with these wheels though, so I ain't changing them bitch. We just gonna drive like that. Yeah, I think this side is better than that side. Shit, got the 6 piston on that joint, man, from 4 to 6. Now, let me see if it works. can't even see that man, bruh. Anyways, YouTube, man. That's what we do, man. Look, man. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, bruh. I don't know what the fuck y'all waiting for, bruh. Like, comment, subscribe, man. We got the Jeep. Come on, bruh. Like, comment, subscribe. All that, bruh. That nigga coming back around. Then we got the Chrysler right there. The best shit in the game right now. Nigga know who the fuck I am, nigga. Thought me got no sauce. Come on, man. Come on, man.
Yeah, at least that drone stopped.
Yo, I think I got this Lambo nigga trying to race me, bro. Lambo niggas. This nigga racing me. It's a Lambo, bro. That nigga trying to raise, bro. Yo, that nigga really was racing me just now. The Lambo. Alright, so YouTube, man, as you can see, we got the shit done. We even raced the Lambo. I don't know, these 6 Pistons got me acting like this shit's a Hellcat. But yeah, we raced the Lambo and all that. We almost had him crash his shit. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe though. I'm gonna see you in the next one.